welcome back to my channel, Adventures with Amirah. This year I promised my daughter, she was so excited that we were going to do this. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm working with a pretty small space on one of my kitchen counters. This little picture right here is something I made. This is a different Dollar Tree DIY. I can link that video for you down below so you guys can find it. These are really easy. This is under $3 to make. Basically, you can take any kind of wrapping paper or scrapbook paper that you want, and it's just a simple Dollar Tree frame. And then I took some little garland from the Dollar Tree as well as some stickers, and I stuck the stickers to the outside of this picture. I have several of these that I made to go with different spots in the house. I'll go ahead and show you some of the pieces I'm trying to incorporate. These are the little candle holders that they have at Dollar Tree, and these are great for just elevating things. One of the jars as an example, and you can use that. They also have these adorable little tins in, and I definitely want to use this. I think I'm going to keep my packets of Swiss Miss hot cocoa in here. Some people use them to put cookies in and give as gifts, but that's what I envisioned for this, was to use it for that. I want to do some sort of little sprays, like berry sprays or some sort of green maybe in the corners or something, just to give it a more festive look. I also have these little candy canes here, and I like these because they're individually wrapped. I'm going to be putting marshmallows and a few other things on this bar, so I picked up some of these little catering tongs, and I think these will look nice just like in a little glass cup. They also have these little gingerbread men at Dollar Tree, and I thought these were adorable. They also have the little teensy gingerbread houses as well. My daughter found this adorable little mailbox, and I definitely want to incorporate this here with the cocoa station, and then maybe leave little notes in there for her before school each morning. That'll probably brighten her day. So I'm already looking at the colors, you guys, and I think I'm going to change my mind on this cloth. I think that it's going to be too dark in this color. It looks brighter on camera, actually, than it does in person. So I know exactly what I can go use. I'm going to go grab that real quick, and I'll be right back. Are you familiar with these little microfiber cloths they have over in the auto department? I just remembered I'd picked up some of these because I was going to do two together and make a pillow. But I already had these here at the house, and I was like, oh, that'll be perfect. That way it'll look more snowy over here in the corner. I definitely like this cloth a lot better here, this white one, so I'm going to keep this. I did want to show you guys this. I was thinking of putting this up on this little pedestal thing that I have here from the Dollar Tree, the candle stand, and that would give a lot of height to that. But I decided I'll use the lid from that same container instead. This is super cute. So this is just a lot of the stuff that I've poured into these jars that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So look at this, you guys. How cute is that? That definitely looks festive. Okay. We're going to go in the corner. I think I'm going to put these up here. And they have these little white color changing Christmas trees. I think I'm going to add that here. That'll make it look more festive. And then have you guys seen these little feather dusters they have at the Dollar Tree? They're similar to Swiffers, except that they're very white and fluffy. So these make the perfect little snowy accents. So let's tuck you in over here. And then I picked up these little ornaments here. I showed this in a different haul, but I don't know why this little guy just spoke to me. He was so cute. So I took his friend out. They came in a 2-pack. Right here. I think I'm just going to tuck this over in the corner. And then I think I'm going to put this one in the back. Back here, that just gives it a little more festive vibe. And then I always get packs of these bells at the Dollar Tree. So that's a perfect little corner piece for you guys. Super simple. Obviously the stand would only be $2 to make. You can just put it together with some hot glue or something. Mine's just sitting up there because the stuff I have on it's not very heavy. But if you want to put some of your glass jars, you can just glue that to the top of the candle stand. I really like these sealed glass jars, you guys, for marshmallows because it keeps them from getting stale. Stouffer's peppermints are so delicious. My whole family loves these. These are like a white fudge peppermint patty, and they come individually wrapped, so they're great for stocking stuffers or to pass out for your kids' class. I've just put some of those in this jar, and then we'll pour some more of these in here. These are the little peppermint barks that are chocolate and peppermint with white chocolate on the top. Also delicious. All the jars are from Dollar Tree. These little peppermint sticks I'd already put in here. They also have these little cinnamon sticks, which these are great for the shorter jars. Make sure to get the short pack because they do have some that are taller and they won't fit in these jars. I also have these little packs of mason jars at the Dollar Tree. They're over near the glassware section. They're normally on the bottom shelf in our store. They do have some other ones that have like little holes in the top, like if you're doing cinnamon or nutmeg, but they're like salt and pepper shakers, and you can use them for those. But these are just the little plain mason jars, and I thought these would be super cute for sprinkles. These are the rainbow sprinkles they carry at the Dollar Tree. And then they also carry these premium baking chocolate chips, and I wanted to put these in the other little jar. We found this adorable little mug. They had quite a few mugs with little gingerbread houses and things on them this year, and this just goes with our whole little candy cane and gingerbread theme. And then this year they had these giant Brock's candy canes, so I'm just going to stick these in here. They also had this little mug, and this is one of the ones that came in the gift boxes. I showed that in my Dollar Tree haul in my Shop With Me, I believe, but this reminds me so much of the movie Up by Disney, which I absolutely love. My family watches that quite often, and this looks like the little balloons that are above the gentleman's house, but I love that movie, and that's exactly what this makes me think of, so super cute for only $1. I think I'm going to sit these back there for the moment. I found this plate there, and I thought this would be cute as the centerpiece for this whole cocoa buffet, just because it has a little cup of cocoa on there, which I thought was super cute. I love these bright and happy colors. And then we'll sit the little sprinkles on top along with the candy canes. And the little chocolate chips. I don't really care to add a lot to my hot chocolate because I like it pretty much just the way it is, but the kids and my husband probably will be adding candy and cinnamon and peppermint and all kinds of cool things. They also have these little lights this year at Dollar Tree, which I think are adorable. They're the little bell lights. The lights aren't inside each of the bells. They just run down the wiring, but I thought they were really cute. Put these through here just to bring some light. They also have the little coordinating napkins, so I'll keep these here as well. Put some little gingerbread cookies out. Along with some of those little miniature candy canes. And then I also bought a bag of these little peppermints. We keep these around the house all year. But those will go nicely here. And then I always pick up my Swiss Miss marshmallow hot cocoa over at the Dollar Tree. These are normally $1 a box for 6. Maybe a little bow here. I have a regular tea kettle, but I normally like to just put some water out for the kids. This is a little teapot I picked up at Goodwill some years ago when I was doing a tea party for my daughter. We did a big tea party birthday one year, and I think I got almost everything for that tea party. All of my fancy teapots and crystal and everything was from Goodwill, because they just have amazing deals on their porcelain, or at least they did in Colorado. Like this teapot probably was around $1, maybe $1.29. Most of their mugs are 29¢, so you can get some great deals like that. I'll hang this on here. This is another ornament from the Dollar Tree, just to make it look a little more bright. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for setting up my hot cocoa station with me. If you guys have any ideas of things you think I could add, let me know in the comments. And tell me what you think of the hot cocoa bar. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye-bye.
Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.